Hello and welcome to another episode of ViTAC University. You've bought the best kit on the market. Now let's make sure that you know how to use it. Here we go.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna go over the Steri strips, secure strips, and grab the liquid skin too. Let's do that all together here. All right, so we got a few different things here. So these are gonna be with your wound closures, all right? So I did make earlier a nice wound on his hand here, and we're worried about when it's gaping open and we don't want to do stitches, or we're on our way to go get stitches. So
or you do not know how to do stitches.
yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah, probably a knowledge-based thing that could be tied in here too.
Yeah, so this is nice and easy. Nice and easy. All you do is pull these out. It has like a little tab to make them easy to grab. So you can actually just pull it off, grab one side, and all you're gonna do is get it right over the wound. You'll probably need multiple strips, but I'm just gonna do one. I'm gonna get it on one side, and then I'm gonna use it, and I'm gonna pinch that skin together to get it all together. There, crushed it.
Yep.
Pretty simple.
Couple things. One is remember that your patient is, especially if they're not like dying in pain, they have another hand. So I could absolutely hold that pinch while Sterling gets it in the right spot. And I was kind of kidding before about like not knowing how to do sutures, but it is something to consider. Like before, if you have an open wound that you need to close, this is an amazing tool before you thread a needle and start driving it through the skin of, say, your child, your screaming child, and you're trying to, I mean that genuinely, you're trying to navigate that emotional aspect. You need to close it and get it to the next level of care. This, you're just squeezing, you're getting the same temporary intent, and then let a professional take care of the rest.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Then the next best thing is once you get these, you can actually use the liquid skin, which is almost like super glue, all right, to seal the wound. So all you're going to do, there is a little tab on here. Probably can't see it, but I'm just going to take my shears and I'm going to cut that tab off. From there, you'll have just a tiny little hole, and all you're going to do is go down this wound, kind of covering it a little bit, spread it out with the nose of this thing. That way it'll actually cover it, and you're actually helping keep dirt and all the other shit out of there. But actually sealing that wound closed, in essence, you're adding what they call second skin to it.
Love it.
Perfect. See
Okay.
ya.